Awesome! Yes!
Corby's Corner Science Lab.
Welcome to Corby's Corner Science Lab.
Today we're going to make Elephant Toothpaste.
Smash KidsTV requested that we do a special experiment, and today we're going to do that for you. So we're doing the Elephant Toothpaste experiment, aren't we, Corby?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, and we're going to do 2 versions of it. So don't go away until you've seen the second one, because that's going to blow your mind. So on this first one, we're going to do one that you can do at home, right? Just have your parents around. Let's start. I'm going to pour into here a decent amount of hydrogen peroxide, 3%. And I'm going to do this part, Corby.
Here it goes.
We'll do about that much right there. And then we're going to use some dish soap.
I'm going to put it in.
All right, good job. And since it's already starting to be blue, why don't we put some extra blue food coloring in? What do you think?
I'm going to put it in.
Okay, go ahead. All right. That's some good blue right there.
Do you put this inside there?
Ooh, that's like a purple blue almost now. We're going to take a tablespoon of active dry yeast that you can buy at your local grocery store. You can probably shop on Amazon. You want to put that in there, Corby?
Yeah.
Be careful. All right. Okay, and then we're going to, here, hold that up. We're going to put in 3 tablespoons of warm water, H2O. Hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. There's 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then we gotta mix it up. Mix. There we go. We're gonna pour this in our nice little beaker here. All right, now that we've got it in there, we'll just do a little mixing. Here's where it gets really cool. Pour that right in there. Pour it out really fast.
All of it.
All of it, real fast. Quick. All of it. Oh, look at it go.
Look at it.
Wow. Ho. Look at that stuff go. It's just flowy. Big giant lava thing spewing out of a volcano. That's a pretty cool chemical reaction right there. So what happens is the hydrogen peroxide, which reacts with yeast, because yeast is a kind of bacteria. So when it happens, when they come together, the hydrogen peroxide lets go of an oxygen molecule. And that oxygen molecule turns into a bubble inside the soap. And then you get millions of bubbles, and they all go and do this. It's really cool.
A little bit more.
A little bit more. We're going to do something a little bit cooler now, bud. Because now we're going to do another experiment that's way more explosive than this one. And you have to wear gloves and you have to wear eye gear when you do this experiment. You don't want to use this without adult supervision, especially one who's used to chemicals like this. You ready for this?
Yeah.
You are. All right, so put in some green food coloring.
Here.
I already put the dish soap in. Put it right in here, bud. A whole bunch. Got it? All right, good. That's good. Whoa, that is good. That's really good. I got to put on gloves for this. These are super stylish, awesome gloves that only scientists wear. All right, and for this part, I'm gonna need you to say goodbye to the kids for now.
Bye.
Love you. Okay, go stand over by mommy.
Sometimes it's a waiting game.
So I got my gloves. We've got the dish soap and the green food coloring right in here. I love the sciencey green. See that? Woohoo! And I have pre-mixed some of the dry yeast and the water, but now we're going to use this. This right here is the 35% solution. And here we go. So right in here, we're going to add about 3/4 of a cup. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna count to 3. I'm gonna put it in, and then I'm running over there. And then we're hoping that this is gonna look awesome. Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Did it work?
Can't win them all.
Well, that was a letdown. This should have been all the way up into the sky, and it wasn't. So, ooh, it's warm too. One of the things that it does when it makes that chemical reaction is that it lets off heat. That reaction creates energy, and that energy, you can feel it as heat. That is pretty cool though. While this is usually a much better experiment as far as how cool it looks, it's still pretty darn cool, and I suggest you try this experiment at home. Just use better yeast than we did. So what'd you think of this experiment, Corby?
Good.
You liked it? What was your favorite part? You think that's cool when you put all the stuff together and it goes like that? I guess that whoa! I guess that kind of wraps it up, huh, Corby?
Yeah.
That's funny. So thank you, Smash Kids TV, for this great experiment. I wish we could do a better one for you. There's some other ones out there. We might put a link to a really cool one. Science Bob, he does pretty well. So we'll put a link in there just so you can see how it should look. But anyway, thanks for joining us. We have a wonderful time doing this, so I'm glad you guys are enjoying it. If you are, give us a like, subscribe to our channel if you want more. What do you say, Corby?
Bye.
Bye, kids.